Hey guys, welcome back to Plant Fueled Mother Hustler. I'm Lainey. Today's video is a Sunday Get It Done day. I'll be doing a deep clean on the refrigerator and then some organization as I put everything back in there. Before I get to that though, my Imperfect Foods order just came in because it's Friday. That's what they do. They do all their deliveries on Friday. So I figured I will take you through what I got. Don't worry, I'm not trying to sell you any products. I just want to put it out there that this has been super helpful for me, and I always like to hear about different things and people's opinions to see if it'll work for me or not, so hopefully this will be useful for you guys. Typically, I only order like fruit and veg from them, so it's like just one small box like this, but I did a huge order because I wanted to try a bunch of different things to see if like their snacks were worth it and their oils and stuff like that. So we'll find out. Since it was so big, it came in 2 boxes, as you'll see.
Just kill the lights and everyone inside. Trust me, I'm faking. Always smile at the feeling of hello and how you been. So it goes, I just need to know whatever happened to hitting the road. The overflow, the car radio, that was fantastic. So whatever happened to that? Just kill the lights and everyone.
One thing that's super awesome is that they deliver all your food in this thermal insulation, cold insulation bag, and then they put these like big ice packs in there that take like days to melt, so your food's gonna stay cold. I left mine sitting inside for probably like 3 hours before I opened it, and everything's super cold. But I will say the mistake I made was waiting that long because although it's cold, some of the packaging is like smashed and kind of like soggy. So yeah, keep that in mind if you end up getting this. Little life hack. These, keep them. They're great and definitely reusable. We throw them in coolers all the time, so that way we don't have to buy bags of ice to keep beer and food cold when we go camping. Moving on to box number 2.
Can't move past all the hate and what's happening. There I go, pretending I know. Am I stupid or stoned? I'm just accident prone. The open road and that old stereo. We were singing through static, a song that nobody will know. Just kill the lights and everyone inside. I kinda like the way I waste your time. Ooh.
so confused when I go to sign up for like meal kit delivery boxes or like subscription whatever food stuff, because they never really tell you what your options actually are and what you're getting into when you sign up for a subscription, and you're sitting there thinking, am I just gonna have to cancel this in a month, because it's not at all what I expected. The thing that I love about this Imperfect Food box is you get to choose exactly what you order. So there's not like a pre-set up vegan box option or like a keto box option. It's essentially an online grocery store for Imperfect Foods. I'll show you in better detail what some of this stuff looks like. Some of it does look wonky, some of it looks like there's nothing wrong with it. So I'll kind of show you a deeper dive into that and let you guys be the judge on how imperfect it really is.
Oh, shame in your eyes, the first time love died for me. I remember the makeup running down your face, telling me that there's someone else and I've been replaced. Oh, just so cold, I was bought, I was sold to you. Every day I wear you on my sleeve. No matter how much I hate you and me, it's so hard to let you go when you're right next to me. It's not as easy as it looks to walk alone, looks to walk alone. Sometimes I see you crying in your bed every night, wishing that I was always there to hold you so tight. Oh, the tears that you cried the first time love died for me. I got my sister lying on the floor in perfect tune, writing all of the songs that always reminded me of you. Oh, is this goodbye you always sighed at me? Every day I wear you on my sleeve. No matter how much I hate.
In addition to that, your price on what you pay for the box is totally up to you as well. Since it's set up like an online grocery store, you can pick 3 items that cost you $10 total, and that's what you'll get. Or you can do 50 items and it'll cost you $130. It really all depends on what you want, and that's what you're gonna get. Other meal kit subscription services that I've signed up to in the past have been really nice because I didn't have to think about a thing that I was going to be cooking. And if I need to spice things up or change up recipes because I'm caught in a rut of making the same 7 different things, I definitely would go back to a thing like that. Purple carrot's a really great one that I love because it's so easy to find vegan options there, but it's a little bit higher of a price point than I generally want to be spending each week. So this is a great option for being financially friendly. You still have to cook just like you would with any of the meal plan kits, but yeah, it's way more cost effective and awesome. I think I got around 45 items and it was like $108, so that makes it $2.50 per item roughly, which is great considering almost everything I got was organic, and I even got a couple of like specialty vegan items in there, like vegan cashew yogurt and vegan mac and cheese. Those items can typically be really expensive, like around the $5 mark, But yeah, $2.50 is a great deal, and I like to help out where I can, and if I can help prevent food waste a little bit just by using this grocery online option, I'm definitely going to do it. Just wanted to share it with you guys and let you guys know what's out there. Moving on to Sunday Get It Done Day, refrigerator, deep clean, and grocery organization. Just kidding. I'm gonna have to do this tomorrow because this is what ends up happening when it's guys' night gaming. Your fridge gets filled with beer. So hopefully that will be gone tomorrow and I can get this thing deep cleaned and get all these new groceries organized and put away. Let's be real. Until then, I'm just gonna shove these groceries in there wherever they fit. All right, it's the next day. I'm gonna give this another attempt. It should be easier to take things out and find space to put them back in now that most of the beer's out of here. There's just some in the door and like a box in there. So yeah, here we go.
It's not as easy as it looks to walk alone. Looks to walk alone. Looks to walk alone. Looks to walk alone. Looks to walk black boots heading on the highway. New car trying to forget about me. You said you didn't mean it when you put her in front of me. I'm not gonna fade away. You got me running downtown. You've got me running around. You got me running downtown. You've got me running around. You've got me running away from all the memories. Everything you said to me. Oh, oh, oh. You got me running away from all the times you lied. All the nights I cried. New girl, you're always changing. It's not like you even care. She'll be gone, you know you'll leave her, but not me. I'll be here till the end. I'm not gonna fade away. You've got me running downtown. You've got me running around. You've got me running downtown. You've got me running around. You've got me running away from all the memories. Everything you said to me. Oh, oh, oh. You got me running away from all the times you lied. All the nights I cried. Are you missing me at all? You took your time to fall. You let your insecurities control the way you treated me. You never let me go, and then you run away. All the things you wish you never said. Still in my head. You got me running downtown. You got me running around.
you. I'm on my way down. They'll say that I'll never go back for you. I'm bad for you. Say nothing more. I'll fight until I'm black and blue. I'm just a man with nothing left to lose. You make me feel like I am bulletproof. I'd run through fire just to get to you. Till I'm black and blue. I smoke my last cigarette, I live for you. I'm hooked, I'm addicted to the taste of you. Your lips, no, there's nothing sweeter around. One kiss will lay me out on the ground. They'll say that I'll never go back for you. I'm bad for you. Say nothing more. I'll fight until I'm black and blue. I'm just a man with nothing left to lose. You make me feel like I am bulletproof. I'd run through fire just to get to you. Till I'm black and blue. 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 What's a little blood in my boots? If it means I can get to you. What's a little blood in my boots? What's a little blood? What's a little blood? Blue. I'm just a man with nothing left to lose. No.